Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, zaptest.com. Agile testing starts once the development of a project begins. In short, it integrates testing and development at all stages. Most developers think of this process in reference to the Agile testing pyramid. More on this later. Using Agile methodology in testing means that testing continuously happens throughout the development process and includes developers, testers, and owners at almost every stage. With testing starting before the development stage and continuing throughout the Agile testing process, feedback is provided at every step. This continuous feedback loop supports the development process because the testing team is not constrained to wait until production to identify where errors may have occurred. Quality assurance is now implemented into the Agile testing services. Every member of the Agile testing team is responsible for identifying potential issues via concise documentation and coming up with solutions. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.